Hey everyone, I just checked my YouTube page and I have 200 subscribers. I can't believe we made it this far in just a year. And we now have 200 and now we're on the road to 300. I know it's going to take some time, but just all the things you showed me from the past couple days, I definitely think it's not going to take a while, until we hit 300. But this was crazy. I can't believe we finally did this. And now it's time to review some fidgets. And so I did get out Mrs. Bench's pack. And I got the black and white pack. And so all of these fidgets are going to be black and white. So here's the first thing. An infinity cube. So this came in the package. And honestly, my other infinity cube to compare, this one makes more sound. But it also feels very stiff, like it's very new. But this one feels very light. It doesn't make a lot of noise. It only clinks. And it just feels really nice overall. So I'm going to have to rate this a 9 out of 10. Especially, I really like this. Actually, no, a 9.5 out of 10. Next up is these marble meshes. So these, I don't feel like there's any texture change between each marble mesh. I think they honestly feel all the same. I don't think anybody else thinks they really are different textures either. And so, sorry, I'm just going to rate this maybe an 8 out of 10. It's really fun to study with. If you need to study, and there's a fidget that's kind of distracting and makes noise, this is perfect because this makes no noise and it's easy just to push up and down. So yeah, 8 out of 10 for me because I don't think it's very fun. The next one is this tangle. I was not expecting to get a tangle in this order, so I'm very glad. I might need scissors to get this open, but one second. Sorry, guys. I think I found it. There we go. Oops. Alright, so let's go get my other tangle to compare. Hopefully I can find it. Oh, it's right here. Alright. So here is what the tangles look like. So let's look at this one first. This one is very loose. It's very easy to play with. It makes a lot of clinking sounds and a lot of moving sounds. I really like it of how soft it is. And so now let's compare this. This makes so much clinking from before. I really like this, but I think it feels the same as my other tangle, but this one, for some reason, I kind of feel like it's skinnier, but this one is going to be so fun to play with. I'm so glad I got a new tangle. They're my favorite fidgets. And if we disconnect these, which I don't know if you can on this tangle, I guess you're not supposed to connect or disconnect tangles because this one isn't really disconnecting that well. And so whatever, I'm just going to give this a 9 out of 10. I can't wait to play with this. This one, I have no idea what they're called, but I do have one for comparison. Same fidget, just in different colors. And I actually did see this one online, so yeah, they're the same exact fidget. But let's see if they feel any different. So the buttons, this button is harder. This button I feel like is looser. This button. Now this button. This one is much louder than this. Now, I think these buttons and these buttons, this one is definitely looser because these are much harder. So I do definitely think this one is newer. It just feels looser. This one is very hard and it just feels more sturdy. But I like this one more, especially because this side was my favorite. But now that it's louder, I'm very happy. I also like this Joy-Con right here. Those are one of my favorite fidgets. Now I can act like I'm playing video games. And I think that was really all that was on the fidget pack. I don't think there was anything else. Oh, wait, there's this mochi. I forgot. Let's see. I'm not completely sure what this is yet, so let's just go ahead and open it. Hopefully I don't need scissors or anything to get it open. So, oh, there we go. Oops. Okay. So this fidget, I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it's really cute. It's very flat, so it's a good thing to just put your thumb on. But here's what it looks like. I'm not sure what this is at all, but it's very cute. It's got a little face, and it's really fun to just like squish and play with. I love the way this feels. I'm not quite sure. I don't really like the feeling that it leaves afterwards. Usually most mochis don't do that. But it makes your fingers feel very soft, like you've been playing with sand. Now in the bag, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, by the way, I forgot to rate this mochi. This mochi, I give it a 7 out of 10 just because of the texture afterwards. Now, I have no idea what this is because this is not black or white. It looks blue. It looks like a dinosaur. Maybe this is an eraser. I think this is an eraser. That's so cute. You can put it on top of your pencil because it has a hole in the bottom. Oh, that's so cute. And you can also put it in the little dino egg. Thanks, Miss Bench, for giving me another item. Yes, I love all these fidgets overall. I can't wait to add them to my fidget bin. Sorry, I keep messing up my words. Let's go ahead and add them. Oops. Okay, well, since I got another mochi, I guess we're just going to add them to the mochi bag. And my 2 tangles are going to go in my second bin. I almost forgot about the marble meshes. The reason they were on the floor is because my cat knocked them off my bed. Thank you, Mrs. Bench, for this wonderful fidget pack. I'm so glad I got these fidgets today and opened them. But I'm going to test if oh my gosh, I can't talk today. If this really is an eraser. Sorry, I had to delete it real quick. And like just pause it. So I'm making a second clip. But I'm going to test this eraser on my sketchbook because I'm working on a portrait right now, so. I actually decided not to try it on my sketchbook and just simple paper. And so I drew this weird person thing. And so I'm just going to try to erase it with this to see if it's actually an eraser. It does look like it's erasing pretty well, but I went really dark on the lines, and so that's why it might have not erased fully. But it did lighten up the color a little bit. I wonder if the egg's erasable. It is. So they're both erasers. That is really cool, and I'm glad we figured that out. But thank you guys for 200 subscribers, and I can't wait to get 300. But our next goal, to keep it short, is going to be 210. I can't wait to get this, guys. Thank you for all the support. Bye!